This is California encampment. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable how these people can live like this.
Confirm with
That'd help you if bad gloves. Maybe I purposely left them on there.
Oh man, God. This is the biggest one?
Well, the biggest, like, I wonder where they get all this stuff.
Where
We got
is-
solar panel in here.
Where do you get the fresh water?
There's a little ravine down there.
Wow. Yeah, bathroom? Yeah, walking it right. Wow. What's it like inside? Pretty nasty? Is it pretty nasty in there?
Come here.
Are all these guys on meth there?
Yeah.
Seems a drug of choice.
Yeah.
Eventually, that's a good answer right there.
Well, I mean, it's not now, later.
Oh, wow.
Who's in there? Do you know?
Your friend, maybe? I don't know.
Nega,
I don't live here. I don't know. I power my time. She was asking for the AP unit.
I'll call him. AP11. Oh, he ate today. So we gotta call MP.
You're right.
Hey, is the ambulance on scene yet?
Where are you?
No.
Brian was just okay.
I just gave him the update.
Like, he's got about a 5 or 6 inch like bed sore there. Left buttocks.
Wow.
Probably flatter.
Wow.
LA Engine 84, you can cancel sheriff for traffic control. 84 copy. LA Squad 151.
Oh, man, look at this. Look at this, fellas. Let me get out of here. This is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely.
No, but I was waiting for him. Like, there's a bunch of people waiting. And before, I was gonna get recalled anyways. But, but yeah, Jay was like, "Hey, you got recalled yet?" I'm like, "No, like, you work for me at TX."
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, okay.
Possibly just west of Sunflower.
Who's the bald-headed guy?
The engineer for the other.
Oh. Seems to be the oldest guy I've seen here.
Correct.
So they're just gonna haul her out.
Yeah, once the ambulance gets there.
She got insurance?
LA 93,
Oh.
Scotchway Squad.
Wow. Wow. This is homeless living in California. Wow. Wow. Tax dollars at work. Wow.